Hey y'all, I'm Billy Foulkes with MarineMax here in Houston. Today I wanted to show you guys a 2023 Sea Ray 210 SPX. First off, we optioned this boat white. It's a white exterior, but we put silver graphics on it. Very, very clean look to it. To complement the exterior, we chose the stone gray interior with the gray flooring on this, and we did sea deck throughout the entire boat on the swim platform, of course, and in the cockpit as well. Right here, we have a swim platform. When you trim your Alpha drive all the way down, you can lift or pull that clip right there. This folds down in the water, gives you a nice step to get in and out of the boat, somewhere you can sit while in the water, all sorts of good stuff. It's really convenient and an awesome option that came from Sea Ray. You have your ladder right here built into the boat, super easy to get in and out of the boat, easy to bring the ladder back up when you are back in the boat and want to get back underway. Right here, we have access to your batteries and your battery switch. Right here is what I like to tell everyone to do is designate this spot for your shoes. Like when you get in your boat, you don't want to have shoes on. So you can just throw all your shoes in there, all your guest shoes in there, get them out of the way. If they're stinky, you won't smell it because it is a closed lid. Excuse me, that's kind of goofy, but besides that, tons of storage throughout this boat, and I'll show you guys more of that here in a few. Right here, we do have your sun pad, which does fold up and gives you a nice backrest. So think of it like stadium seating. You guys have a seat in the water, you have a seat on the swim platform, you have a seat right here. That's 3 levels that you guys are going to be entertaining your guests with out on the water. This boat is powered with a 4.5 liter Merc Cruiser. It's 250 horsepower. Then Sarah, if you want to go ahead and walk in here and check out a little bit of the storage that we have in this boat. So there's the 4.5 liter Merc Cruiser I was telling you about, but you have additional storage right down here. And what's actually in there right now is the bow filler cushion and the insert that holds the cushion. So there's pretty much space for everything on this boat that you need. You can fill it up with life jackets, you can put tubes, deflated in here, wakeboards, all sorts of stuff. That's your center ski locker right there. I'm not going to open it up right now. But going through some more of this stuff, we have a built-in cooler right here. We also have a removable cooler right here. What I like to do, I like to fill up my removable cooler, come over here, dump it into the built-in cooler, go back to the house, fill it up with ice and drinks and whatnot, so you're not bringing a bunch of different boxes out here and you're going to have to dispose of the boxes, the cardboard boxes, and the plastic bags from the ice and all that stuff. Just fill up that one cooler, dump it in here, fill up the cooler again, you're good to go for a fun day on the water. So this cooler is insulated, it is draining, so it drains down to the bilge, and there's a bilge pump in there that pumps overboard. Additional options that we included on this boat is going to be your portside lounger. So this has 3 positions. The position it's in right now, this position which allows you to face backwards, and the position that lays all the way flat, give you a nice long bench seat. Sarah, if you look right here behind the captain's chair, you'll notice a subwoofer. So we optioned this boat with the premium sound system. So it comes with the Fusion stereo, 4 speakers, subwoofer, and amplifier. Up here, we included the 9-inch Simrad touchscreen display. So that's going to be your fish finder, depth finder, navigation, engine information, everything that you need out on the water to be safe out there. And you know, it's very user-friendly, very easy to use, and that's something we do at MarineMax is we show you how to use all that stuff. We're going to include all the safety gear that you need for up to four adults to be out on the water safely. So other things that we have are courtesy lights right here, which are going to be your just white lights throughout the boat. We also have accent lights, which are blue lights that are hidden under some of the seats and in the cup holders as well. Bilge pump, bilge blower, navigation, and anchor light. If you guys didn't notice, we optioned this boat with the tower. That's another thing that people here in Texas like. If you wanted to, we can install tower speakers on this boat to give you more sound. But you can pull wakeboarders and skiers from this tow point up here. There's also another tow point in the back of the boat. Sarah, if you want to cruise on forward, you guys can check out the bow and the new feature from Sea Ray, that built-in ski locker, or anchor locker. Very nice feature. Get your anchor out of the way. You don't have to tote it in and out of the boat. It just goes right there in the designated spot. Another thing I want to point out, so Sarah, if you look right here by this grab rail, this boat was what we included on this boat was the upholstery upgrade. So without that upholstery upgrade, we're going to be losing part of this seat right here, and all this right here is going to be pretty much the white gel coat. So the upholstery upgrade is a really unique upgrade, and we like it, and most of our customers seem to like it as well. So you guys, my name is Billy Foulkes with MarineMax. Thank you for spending some time with me today. I hope to see you soon.